So the concern I had was old age spots, wrinkles, fine lines. Everybody tells me I look 10 years younger, so that's always really helpful to hear that. I heard about Dr. Chasen through a friend. Dr. Chasen was very thorough and detailed explaining procedures or the options that I had. He was very informative and made me feel totally at ease, and that's why I chose to get the Fraxel repair. I know I had a lot of sun damage. I was a sports person, and I've always been outside and very athletic and exercised a lot, so outside is where I always want to be. So obviously I had a lot of sun damage. The treatment that I had was the Fraxel repair to get rid of all that, and it worked. Everybody tells me I look 10 years younger, so that's always really helpful to hear that. And the results have been really great, and I know it keeps working for 3 months, so I definitely keep seeing the difference, like it's getting tighter, and I definitely see dramatic results actually. So the advice that I would give to somebody that has the same concerns as I did, would be to definitely look into Fraxel, the Fraxel repair especially, but I guess it depends on what level you need and whatnot. That's why you need to have a consultation with Dr. Chasen, who will then specifically guide you to what is the best plan for you. The best thing I can possibly say about getting a Fraxel repair is there's no downtime. So even though you look like you have a really bad sunburn for a few days, you can still go to work. It's totally fine. Don't be afraid. I mean, at first everybody's like, because you feel like you're gonna have literally like a face peel, like your skin's just gonna come off. And it does kind of do that, but not to that whole, zombie or whatever, I don't even know what I'm trying to say, but like, it's not gonna be as bad as you think it's gonna be. And just know that your body's gonna heal itself, and there's gonna be a lot of peeling and whatnot, but obviously the end results far outweigh what you're gonna go through. I highly recommend all my friends and family to come to Reflections. Dr. Chasen and his staff are amazing.